So in this task, we're asked to enter two actually criteria. Anyway, it's going to be based on the previous task, and we're going to create query or and after that report, and we're asked to put two colors. So to put this color, they did not specify it to be static or dynamic, but anyway, we're going to do it in the, as you can see, we're going to do it with the dynamic way. So over here, we're adding all the tables, and then we're adding all the details from the product. And specifically, you have to go to the color, you have to put two dynamic criteria. So the first one, we're going to ask the user to enter the first color, and in between we cannot put and, that's not the correct way, we have to put or. And over here we have to ask the user to enter the second color. So it's going to show the result of two colors. So after that we can run it, and we can put any of the colors. For example, let's put the first color, it could be silver, the second could be anthracite, for example, and then you can see the results are coming from two colors. Actually, by the way, there are multiple colors. If you want to check them, you can just cut this and run it. You can see we have silver, white, and anthracite. These are the three colors, so you can just put any of the two colors. And if you try to change it to and, then it's not going to work, because you have to put both of them. Both of them should be available in the same field, which is not possible over here. If you tried it, you can see it's not going to give you any results. That's why we better put just or in between. And now based on this query, so let's save it. That's going to be task 10. Oh yes. Whenever you're arranging your report, here it's very important that you care about the field width. So let's say I'm going to put here, for example, silver, anthracite also, let's put it. Okay, you can see you have enough space. Let me make it into layout view. You can see that we have enough space here. So anyway, if it was, for example, white and silver, then it might be just this size going to be enough for the white and silver. But whenever it comes to anthracite, then it is going to be cropped. So you better give it enough space, and the rest of the details are actually okay. But if you need to make some minor adjustment, okay, that's not okay over here. If you see, it's not enoughly visible. So just minor adjustments are very essential over here. And that's it. That's the end of this task. Let's move to the next one.